In this video, I'm going to show you how to jump to live on YouTube TV, so you can quickly catch up to real-time broadcasts of your favorite shows, news, or sports events. Let's get started. Whether you're watching a recorded program or browsing content, jumping to the live stream is easy and ensures you don't miss any important moments. If you're already watching a live channel but are behind due to buffering or pausing, look for the Jump to Live button on the playback controls. It's usually located at the top right corner of the video player and is marked by a circular arrow or the word Live. Clicking this button will instantly sync you to the current broadcast, allowing you to watch in real time. This feature is especially helpful during live sports games or breaking news coverage. If you're browsing YouTube TV and want to start watching a live channel, navigate to the Live tab on the home screen. Here you'll see a list of all channels currently airing live content. Scroll through the lineup or use the search bar to find the specific channel you want. Click on it and the live stream will begin playing immediately. If the channel has a Jump to Live option, it will appear in case you accidentally pause or rewind. For an even faster experience, consider adding frequently watched live channels to your favorites. While viewing a channel, click the star icon to add it to your favorites section. This way, you can access your go-to live channels with just one click from the Live tab. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope jumping to live on YouTube TV is now quick and easy for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.